Hey folks, so this is something very important part when it comes to building a hovercraft. So I'll tell you how I connected these two ESCs with my receiver, and one more I have the steering servo. So I'll let you know how I connected all these three things with my receiver. And there's one more important thing I have to tell you, and I'll start with this propeller. This is the lift motor which makes the hovercraft to hover. So I connected the ESC of this lift motor to my channel number 5. So you can use either of these two channels, either 5 or 6, it doesn't matter, but when you just turn this knob, your propeller starts spinning and the hovercraft automatically starts to hover. And next thing, coming to this propeller, so this is meant for the forward and reverse motion of the hovercraft. So I connected the ESC of this motor with my channel number 3. So this is channel number 3. And one more we have, that is nothing but the steering servo. So you can find lot of hovercrafts with the rudder mechanism, like they will have a rudder at the back, and when they want to turn the hovercraft, they will turn the rudder. But I went with something different. So this is the whole assembly turns, and I connected the steering servo with my channel number 2. So channel number doesn't matter, it varies from transmitter to transmitter. You can change it by connecting it to a laptop, or if you have a programming system, you can change it. So it doesn't matter. So what I'm saying is, I just connected this thing with the steering servo, and this channel with motion of the hovercraft, that is this one, so front or back, and this one for hovering. So next most important thing is, you have to know is, if your ESC, the ESC you are using as a BEC, that is nothing but battery eliminator circuit, then there's no need to connect a battery to this receiver to power it up. So automatically this ESC will deliver a 5 volt to this receiver, and that current will power this receiver. So there's no need for an external battery. So if you see this cable, the red one represents the positive terminal and the black one represents the negative terminal. So in this case, we will be connecting two ESCs with the same receiver. So if you connect two ESCs with the same receiver, the problem is, here a 5 volt will be delivered to this receiver, and again this ESC will deliver again a 5 volts to this receiver. So what happens is, your receiver may burn or it may get damaged, and you have to change your receiver. So what you have to do is, you have to remove the positive terminal from any one ESC. So I just removed, can you see it here? So this red one. So I just removed this positive terminal from this ESC. So this is very important. Don't forget to do this when you are building a hovercraft. And coming to the battery, I'm using a 2200 milliamperes 3 cell, so totally 11.1 volt battery. So I'll be placing it in the front to balance the weight of the hovercraft. So I will put a video link down in the description box, which is all about how I built this hovercraft from scratch. And one more thing I forgot to say, and that is nothing but this power distribution cable. So this one I did while building a quadcopter, so that is why it has 4 out terminals. So here we will be using only 2 because we have only 2 ESCs, and we have to power up these 2 ESCs from this single battery. So that I'll be connecting this lead, this terminal here with the battery, and 2 terminals goes to these ESCs. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you feel this video is informative, please don't forget to hit those like buttons. Thank you so much once again for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.